Repair a loose anchor using WetAndFix by rehydrating the disc, wrapping it around the anchor, inserting it into the hole, letting it set, and then reinstalling the screw. Start by removing the loose screw and anchor and clear any loose debris from the hole using a small brush or the tip of a screwdriver so the WetAndFix disc can make full contact with the surrounding material. Dip the disc briefly in clean water until it becomes pliable but not falling apart. Then squeeze gently to remove excess water so it is moist and tacky. Wrap the moist disc evenly around the anchor body, avoiding thick clumps that could prevent insertion, and rotate the anchor slightly as you push it into the hole to seat the material against the substrate. If the hole is oversized, gently compress the wrapped anchor to a smaller profile before insertion, so it fills gaps and contacts the sides of the hole. Allow the WetAndFix to dry for at least 3 minutes, though waiting longer improves bond strength, and test firmness by gently tugging the anchor before fully reinstalling the screw. Reinsert the screw slowly and stop if you meet excessive resistance, backing out and trimming excess dried material if needed, then tighten to the appropriate holding torque for the fixture without over-tightening. Common mistakes include using too much water, which makes the disc collapse and fail to adhere, so always squeeze out excess moisture until the disc is tacky and still holds shape. Another frequent issue is wrapping too much material unevenly, which prevents insertion and causes gaps. Keep the wrap thin and uniform and compress slightly to match the hole diameter. Lastly, rushing the cure time will yield a weak hold, so wait at least 3 minutes and ideally longer for full set before applying load, and always test the anchor gently before committing to full tightening. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors and to give contractors a place to find work and build local connections. We also host an active discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and post real-world repair experiences.